Hey everyone, this is Trainboy70. Today I'm doing an unboxing of Motorized 2025 Neo. There's Neo. Neo came with an elephant and the brake fan. It's inside the box. So let's take a look at the box. So here's the front, the top, the bottom, side, the other side, and the back. Here are my tools to unbox Neo. I got 2 AAA batteries, a screwdriver, and scissors. I'm going to unbox Neo off camera, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back! As you can see, I just unboxed Neo. There's Neo. Behind her, we have an elephant inside the narrow gauge truck. And behind it, we have the brake fan. I gave Neo a battery, and I gave her a test one, and she works. So let's see Neo one's well. Well, that is a great test well with Neo. Well guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Send a comment, press the like button, and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you next video.